everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are in process of making some Cajun shrimp and chicken fettuccine. Easy to make. I'm going to take you step by step, starting with cooking the meats. The meats are shrimp and chicken. So, I have all my things together. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. Put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in our skillet. All right, our pasta is already cooked and it's just waiting for all of this magic. Our pan is hot. So what we're going to do now is we are going to add our chicken. And our shrimp. And of course my shrimp are all cleaned and deveined, and we'll just let those cook. Okay, our shrimp and chicken is all done. So we're going to just pull that out and cook those. Add those. We're going to cook those just until they're, slightly wilted. I'm adding 1 clove of pressed garlic. Add our Cajun seasoning to our vegetables here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove these, put them right on top of the shrimp and the chicken. Then we're going to add our chicken broth to our pan. And half and half. We're going to let it simmer. We don't really want it to boil. We just want it to simmer. So we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Once it starts to get a little bubbly, then we'll add our cheese. We're going to add in our wine. Right, I am going to add my cheese. Now I'm going to just stir this until it gets bubbly. I don't want it to boil. I kind of want it to get dancing around the edges, and it'll get thick. So you can kind of see the parm is still there. It's not really incorporated yet, so we'll just keep stirring. Okay, our sauce is ready. What we're gonna do now is we're going to put our noodles in and all the fun stuff. So it's all coated. So let this cook for just a minute or 2. It's actually quite a simple recipe, but boy, is it delicious. And everyone likes it. It's, kids like it. My husband loves it. So while this simmers up and warms up again, I just wanted to thank everybody for taking the time to visit us on our YouTube channel. Really appreciate those subscriptions. You just click on that little subscribe button. Really, really appreciate that a lot. For some reason, YouTube wants us to have subscribers, so we appreciate it if you'd hit that button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's see, Christmas is like in a few days, and I'm all ready. I'm all ready for Christmas. So, all right, this is gonna get plated. I'll be right back. We're gonna taste it before we say our goodbyes. All right, our dish is all together. That's good. Well, another dish, another day. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Happiest Cook. And I hope to see you here again next week as we continue on our journey of cooking. I guess I'll say goodbye. Happy holidays. Like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.